What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to show you how. And guys, today I'll be showing you how to get free PlayStation games in 2019. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is going to show you that I don't have any payment methods on my account, and I'm not going to cut anything from this video. So I'm going to go to account information and just wait. And I'm going to go to my wallet and payment methods. Just wait. All right, so hold on. As you see on here, I don't have any payment methods added on here, so it's no way possible, and I'm not cutting anything from this video. All right, so I'm gonna click circle. And let's go back to settings. So what you need to do is I want you to go down until you see application save data management right here, right here. Click on that, and I want you to save all your data in your online storage, but I'm not gonna do it right now because I've already did it. But once you have all your data saved in there, it's gonna save all your information and stuff. What you need to do is go up and go to login settings right here. And then go to user management, because you have to delete all your accounts, but only add your one main account that you're going to be using. So delete all your accounts, even the one main one, and then you're going to come back and add that one back. So all you have to do, delete user and delete it. But I'm not going to delete mine because I already did it. You see, I only have one up here. I already did the method. All right, so once you do that, now you can go to the home menu and you will see a little thing that says PlayStation Now with the PlayStation button, and it says Now. So you can click on that and click Start and just wait till it loads up. All right, so hold on. As you see it loads up, what you can do, you can download games from here, or you can like stream them and play them online. As you see, if I click on 2K16, you can download it to your PS4. And actually, hold on, I'm going to show you a game that I can play. If y'all never heard of this game, but it's called Uncharted 3. Hold on. Let's go circle. You actually search it up. So if you want to play a game, you can search it up. Let's click on this. And I click stream now and watch this. Just wait. And guys, like I showed you, there's no payment methods or nothing on here. So it's completely free. Free method. And just wait till it loads. I'm going to show you. I'm not cutting anything out of this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe right now. But don't click off this video yet, because I'm going to actually show you that it works 100%. So I'm just going to wait till it loads. It may take you a little while, but it's going to load. Just 1 minute. You see the screen just went back? It says starting game. Just keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Watch closely. No cutouts or nothing like that. It's 100%. I don't post any fake content on my channel. It may take a few seconds to start up. Depends on how fast your internet is. It don't have to be super fast, but it has to be pretty decent. You see, it's loading up. I'm going to actually go to the screen though to make sure that I'm on the, show you that I'm actually on the game. And you see the little symbol like it's PS3, so it's basically like an emulator. PS Now is basically like a PS3 emulator. But hold on. I'm going to actually load up the game because I don't want y'all to think that it's fake or something. Hold on. Just keep on watching now. Just keep on watching. Screen. It's not on certain games that'll take long to load up, but not every game, just certain ones. It basically loads up the same time as it would on the PS3. And the PS3 is definitely slower than the PS4, of course, because of the processor and stuff. All right, click X. Yeah, so guys, that's pretty much the end of this video, and I hope you go ahead and get your free PlayStation games right now on PS Now, because they have a lot of old games and they have a couple of new games. But make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.